the end of the weekend.
Hey y'all, I haven't picked up this camera all day. I have been super tired. It's about 7:30. I'm on my way to go get me a facial. I've had this on the books for months and months and months because my massage place is always booked. So now I have to book everything months in advance in order to even be able to get in. I got so many credits to use, and yet and still I haven't been able to book them all. So I put my membership on hold. But I'm looking forward to this. I fed mom, I fed my grandson, so we are all good. I am feeling so much better about my daughter's situation because I talked to my sister. I've talked to everybody is telling me that I'm doing the right thing. And basically that it's normal for me to be worried about her the way that I'm worried. So, I mean, she's my kid, no matter how old she is. But at the end of the day, I'm not able to, at the end of the day, I can only do me. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I can't help her become a better person. That's something that she has to desire to do. And there's nothing that I can do for her that she can't do for herself. And everything that I want to do for her, she has to want it. And she has to do it for herself, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so I am going to go get this facial. I feel like my skin has been looking great since I've been maintaining it on my own. But it's always nice to get that professional facial done. And so I'm having an hour-long facial. And hopefully it turns out the way that I want it to turn out. But we'll see. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in a hot minute.
Cause nothing else can take me so far.
So I am back. I'm back from my facial. I feel like she did a good job. It feels really smooth. The only thing I'm having a problem with is getting this damn glue. It seemed like she was trying her best to get this eyelash glue off of my eyelids. It just wasn't coming off. But my face looks super, super clear. And it's smooth. It's a couple of products that she used. Girl, them damn extractions be hurting. But I'm happy overall. If you look at it. My skin looks very good for a 52-year-old. Alright, y'all. I'll see you in a minute. Good morning, guys. I'm going to find me something to eat real quick. It is raining cats and dogs outside. I've already had to go out in this mess, but I mean, when I tell you it is coming down, I mean, like, whoa. And it's such a nice day not to have to work. I'm so glad I don't have to travel and go anywhere. What I wish is I could be sitting in front of this doggone fireplace. I could light it up and make me some hot chocolate and something or other, something to eat, relax, good movie. But alas, today is Tuesday, so therefore that won't be happening. I am just gonna make me some toast because I want to take my vitamins, and I don't know if it's just me or whatnot, but I always seem to, let me try to find y'all somewhere to sit. Oh, hold on. That's why we got the handy dandy. If y'all will sit up there. Okay. Anyway, so every time I take my vitamins, my stomach be so upset because I normally don't be having no food on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me some toast. It's looking a mess in the backyard. Make me some toast. I already had coffee, but the coffee don't seem to work either. But yeah, child. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I know. I was gonna tell y'all. So I ended up sending a text message to old boy. I couldn't help myself. I just told him, because I looked at all my blocked messages. You know I blocked them. So I just told him that I was no longer talking to him no more because, I mean, he had been texting me every single day. Even yesterday he texted. And I kept saying good morning, good morning, good morning, like for 5 or 6 days. And you know I like to do. So that was shocking in itself. But I'm proud of myself that I'm strong because, shit, I told him straight up, I ain't messing with you no more. I'm not gonna play the games. You won't come and see me. And every time I turn around and try to come and see you, BS happen. I'm not gonna play the games with you no more. I told him I'm too good of a person and too good of a woman to keep on going through this with you. So I'm not doing it. Somebody else is gonna appreciate me. Did that, sent it, hit block again. And you know, I probably didn't need to say anything, but it was just so much on my heart to say it. I had to. I was just saying I should not had even sent him any type of message or whatever and just let it be what it be. But you know how we get, like, I should have said, you know? That's what I end up doing all the time. It's like, I should have said this to him, or, and then it'd be on my spirit. He ain't responded back because, you know, now I'm curious, right? So I done went into the blocked messages to see if he responded to my message. But knowing him, he done finally blocked me. right? So anyway, I got it out of my system. So whether he blocked me or not, it is what it is. What can I say? Um, what can I say? I got to say what I had to say to him and be done with it. And I gotta go get the grandbaby today. Since it's raining, I'm not gonna allow him to walk home, but he end up sick. And yeah, that's it. I'm just doing nothing but working. I'll get with y'all later. I ain't really got nothing to say. All right, bye. Good morning, y'all. I did not even pick up the camera yesterday. I feel like I wasn't doing nothing but working, and most of the stuff that I did, you guys already seen me do before. So what I did do though, my girlfriend called me and told me, oh boy, the one I just got rid of is on a date nap. Tell me why I was so pissed off. I'm like, I ain't talked to you in about a week and you already on a date nap. But I got my nerves because I stay doing that. I'll log on a date nap and I don't even talk to nobody. I just click left and right and that's it. So apparently he clicked yes on a friend's, one of my best friend's cousin. She called him. She called the cousin called my best friend and told her. I don't know if they knew I was talking to him or whatever. I don't know why they were discussing who clicking left and right on her. Anyway, so I instantly got pissed off. Now, mind you, I ain't talked to this dude in over a week. But I unblocked me so I could text him real quick and say now you on the date nap. Because I guess he's on the Facebook app. And let me see what his damn response is. I don't even, he a mess. All I did was confirm for me exactly what I needed to know. So I said, so you on the dating site now? He said, oh, you own it too. And then he said, that shit old. I said, no, I'm not now. I do remember like last summer or whatever, I gave the Facebook app a try. But I haven't been on it since then. I put either pause or some shit that I put, but I never got back on it. So I may still look like I'm on it, but I'm not. And then he said, someone just reminded me of that. I said, remind you of what? That I was on the site. Someone told me you just like they pic, but you single, do you? That's what I told him. And he says, I don't know. I just sit on the toilet and swipe. It's for shits and giggles. I don't respond to no one. Which site? So that means the nigga on multiple sites, right? If you don't know which site that I'm talking about, you on multiple sites. And it says, your friend might have swiped me. I said, do you, love? It's all good. I ain't doing nothing, baby. You already know. Oh, yeah, I know. I know. And then he got the nerve this morning at 5 a.m. to say good morning. Now, mind you, he been sending me text messages every single morning talking about good morning. I ain't falling for the bullshit because for me, I feel like you been on the site. That's why you're not that damn serious. All that was confirmation that I don't need to talk to you. And honestly, this is the first time I've been turned off by him. You know, the fact of the matter, even after all him standing me up and all that, I ain't never been really turned off. But I'm turned off, which is good. Because that means that he can swindle his way back into his text messaging and phone call position. And I saw somebody's video yesterday and it was saying, if a man like you, you will know. If you confused, he don't like you. And you know what? When I tell you that's 100% truth, that's the truth, girl. And that's gonna be my motto. I ain't got time for these men. These men be tripping so hard. And I used to feel so sorry for myself all the time. Like, how come don't nobody want to be with me or whatever the case may be. You know, just the stupid stuff that goes through my head. But I realize that there's a lot of women out there that's going through this same thing. And I probably have said this before. It don't matter how good you look, how ugly you are, how fat you are, how bomb your body is. It doesn't matter. These dudes in these streets ain't nothing for the most part. If you're lucky to find someone that's even halfway decent. And if you do, sis, keep them. Anyway, I just woke up thinking about that. You know, my feelings was not really even hurt. It was more like, I got you. I got you, dude. I understand. That's just basically how I felt. But anyway, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.